In a rush from alarm to appetite, a busy student whips up a 30-second sunrise parfait with yogurt and mango. Smart tip: never fails, pre-portion yogurt cups and keep frozen fruit on hand for instant bowls that sparkle. Savory option: microwave a slice of sourdough mash, avocado, sprinkle chili finish with lemon zest and a crack of salt. Dessert sprint: rip a banana nuke with a spoonful of cocoa and a splash of milk for a warm mug bite. Quick breakfast twist: wrap peanut butter and honey in a tortilla with citrus squeeze and call it a portable sunrise.